we look at it, the implementation of the same when the mandate does come. But for the moment, let's leave it at that. We're shifting our focus to big news that's coming in as far as the Supreme Court refusing to stay the appointment of 2 new ECs. The Supreme Court has declined to stay the appointment rules with no CJI. The top court adjourns the hearing to March 21st is what we're learning, and the Supreme Court rejects oral submissions, seeks an application. So that's the significant input that we are continuing to track here as far as the Supreme Court refusing to stay the appointment of the 2 new election commissioners. In fact, what we are learning in terms of a top court remark that has been made is that they've stated, and I quote, "We don't stay by interim order or legislative act," unquote. Supreme Court has stated, "File an application seeking stay on appointments. We can't accept oral submissions." Harish, good afternoon. Significant development with the top court refusing to stay the appointment of the 2 new ECs who we did see inducted yesterday. Tell us more as to what the top court said.
Yes, that's right. The Supreme Court has refused to stay the appointment of two new election commissioners, and also refused to stay the new rules, new election commission, chief election commissioner appointment rules, which has dropped the Chief Justice of India from the high power selection panel, and has the Prime Minister, cabinet member chosen by the Prime Minister, and the LOP as the high power committee. The petitioners had said that this new rule does not ensure a fair and transparent appointment rule, as definitely the Prime Minister and the Cabinet Minister will vote for the candidate chosen by the government. But Supreme Court, while refusing to stay the new law, said that Supreme Court never, as an interim order, stays a legislative act, but will definitely hear both the parties, and has asked the petitioner to file a fresh application to stay the appointment of new election commissioners, saying that oral submissions cannot be accepted, because when the petition was filed, these 2 officials were not appointed as election commissioners, and this was a development post the filing of the petition, so a new petition has to be filed. So this matter has been adjourned for March 21. Back to you.
Right, Harish. Thank you very much for telling us what the top court said and essentially what next in this particular case. But for the moment, let's